Hello, my name is Rizvi. This is my presentation. I have some vocabulary. There are referred, dimaksud, recess, mencapai, hail, hujan es, understood, dipahami, snowfall, hujan salju, winter, musim dingin, annual, tahunan, combined, bergabung, including, termasuk, proximity, kedekatan, winds, angin, ascending, menarik. This is my idea. Precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmospheric water in the form of rain, hail, snow that reaches the ground. The average annual precipitation over the whole of the United States is 36 inches a year. The amount of precipitation that an area receives is a combined result of several factors, including location, altitude, proximity to the sea, and the direction of prevailing winds. Precipitation. Precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality atmospheric water in the form of rain, hail, snow that reaches the ground. The average annual precipitation over the whole of the United States is 36 inches a year. It should be understood, however, that all precipitation isn't measured equally. For example, a foot of snow doesn't equal a foot of precipitation. According to the general formula for computing the precipitation of snowfall, 10 inches of snow equals 1 inch of precipitation. In Upper New York State, for example, where there is typically a large amount of snowfall every winter, 100 inches of snow in 1 year would be recorded as only 10 inches of precipitation. On the other hand, rain is rain. 40 inches of rain would be recorded as 40 inches of precipitation. The total annual precipitation for an area with 40 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow would be recorded as 50 inches of precipitation. The amount of precipitation that an area receives is a combined result of several factors, including location, altitude, proximity to the sea, and the direction of prevailing winds. Most of the precipitation in the United States is brought originally by prevailing winds from the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Great Lakes. Because these prevailing winds generally come from the west, the Pacific coast receives more annual precipitation than the Atlantic coast. Along the Pacific coast itself, however, altitude causes some diversity in rainfall. The mountain ranges of the United States, especially the Rocky Mountain Range and the Appalachian Mountain Range, influence the amount of precipitation in the areas to the windward and leeward sides of these ranges. East of the Rocky Mountains, the annual precipitation is substantially less than that west of the Rocky Mountains. The precipitation north of the Appalachian Mountains average 40% less than that south of the Appalachian Mountains. As air currents from the ocean move overland, the air must rise to pass over the mountains. The air cools and the water that is held in the clouds falls as rain or snow on the ascending side of the mountains. The air, therefore, is much drier. rare on the other side of the mountains. Conclusion that all precipitation isn't measured equally. Most of the precipitation in the United States is brought originally by prevailing winds from the Pacific Ocean, of Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Great Lakes. Along the Pacific coast itself, however, altitude causes some diversity in rainfall. The mountain range of the United States, especially the Rocky Mountain Range and the Appalachian Mountain Range, influence the amount of precipitation in the areas to the windward and leeward sides of this range. Thanks for your attention. See you.